Now, maybe you are someone who is special. In other words, you don't have the time to be part of the regular lectures in respect of our live lectures starting on the average from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. And you are somebody who is very busy and you don't do well in communities or in the group of others, but you want a personalized experience. In other words, you want something that will be tailor-made for you based on your schedule, based on your life, based on the way you study, and based on how you want to be on this journey at the end of the day. For such special situations, we also have the private sessions available. What does that mean? It means that you can enroll in our private session courses where you have access directly to the lecturers and be mentored, be assisted at your own time. What does that mean? It means that this is a tailor-made program for you. You're going to be having an introductory call session where your problems are going to be looked at, what your needs are, what you are looking out for, and the goal of the private session generally at the end of the day. Then from there, a tailor-made program will be designed for you to help you, to put you in that position so you can go to the exam hall and pass the examination. So if you are someone who is in that special category and you want something tailor-made for you, you don't want the other things coming in, then certainly you can request, book a call, and then certainly be given the guidelines that you must understand. Now remember, this is a private session, so this is going to be at a premium price, but the courses are going to be tailored in such a manner that you have live lectures, you have assignments, you have performance evaluation tests, you get access to the premium content as well in the Nhyira Premium mobile application as well as on the website. But most important thing is that everything is going to be tailored around your need, your preference, and how you study so that you can put yourself in the position to go into the exam hall and pass the examination. So this is what we do here, and these are the 4 layers that we have available. Yes, enroll in our main courses if that is what you want to start with. Get our practice question courses if you want some additional practice questions to guide you to understand the principles. Get our books as well, because the books are tailor-made, principles simplified, with a lot of practice questions to put you in the position to pass the examination. But also, if you're someone who needs special assistance because of the nature of your work, because of who you are, because of your goals and the objective, then certainly we can have tailor-made experience courses designed for you to put you in that position so you can go to the exam hall and equally write the exam with confidence, and most importantly, pass the examination. So head on to our website, nhyirapremium.com, or download the Nhyira Premium mobile application to complete your enrollment today. I'm looking forward to having you, providing you with the mentorship that you need, being part of our community, and seeing how we can assist you so you can go to the exam or pass the examination, but most importantly, become successful. It is a transformational environment. It's a transformational experience that we create for our students, because it is not just about the mundane reading, but shaping your mindset, your personality, and putting you in the position to go and even be much successful irrespective of where you are in your life or in your career. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to having you in one of our lectures.